Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to add a keypad. Sorry that I'm not quiet. So yeah, so first you want to come to the description and get it. After that, after that you should see this keypad decoder. Open that, open up prefab, and then check out keypad. Also credits to the coder for making this. Alright, so now that you have this, you can move it wherever. Oh, if it's a purple, click here, go to materials, press all your materials, edit, render, materials, convert, proceed. I'm not gonna do it because I already did that. Or just go to the menu tiers and make the thing standard. Alright. Okay, so you want to open this up. Now press on go button, the go, and so you want to drag in right here where it says disable. You want to open up build and drag in wrong text into disable right here. Alright, so for the password, make it. I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you want 4 letters, 4. You want 2 letters and 2, and then 2 here. I'm just gonna do 2 for the purpose of this video. Make a hand tag. Go to your left and right hand controller. Make sure this is hand tag, and then it should work. Let's see. Why do I lag so much? Oh my god. Oh my action. Correct, right? Oh, one more thing. Sorry, one more thing. Oh my god. You wanna press on your go button? So basically when you get it right, you want it to disable something, so just drag something into disable. So when it's right, right, I mean, it will disable that, so I should disable my entire map. Well, the entire map, but entire lobby. I'm like, game's not lagging in VR, it's just lagging on PC. Backspace is right here. Where's backspace? Am I pressing it? I thought I am. Oh, I'm not pressing it. There. Also, I would recommend finger cladders if you don't have them. I'll do a tutorial on it. See, it's correct. Disabled my map. So, that's how you add a keypad. Here, G-tag. Okay. What the hell do I lag so much? What was I looking for? Oh yeah, URP. Why the hell do I like the bad? Okay, whatever. Alright, so that's how you add it. I'm just gonna quickly. Yeah. So that's how you add a keypad. So yeah.